All right, Jordy Sports Cards here. We're doing a break of 2023-24 Women's Champions League Sapphire here. This is a 5-box break. PYT number 2. And I will have more of this posted tomorrow, 9 a.m. Pacific. All right, because hopefully we got some more juice hiding here. Hard you guys more. Well, like I said, it might be my last batch because Dave and Adam's doing that thing to protect themselves on whatever they got left. Queens, Fry Gang. That is Frankfurt. That is Adam. The variation. Nice one, Caicedo. Caicedo Darren with the variation. They were $150 a box on the site today. And they sold out. Black Refractor, another one? Jesus. Is that going to be your auto? Or is this going to be your auto? Well, this has to be our auto since it is a base. Yep, it is. How about a Salma? It's got Salma on this one. Josh M. Nice one there. Like Justin. We got Katoto, Queens of Football. Black's supposed to be 169. Wow. Orange. We got Millie Bright, 16 of 25. That is Chelsea Others. That is Sean. And gold to 50. Wow. How about Alexia Putellas gold? There you go, Josh. Nice gold. Good start. All right. Black Refractor. Not a rookie. 7 of 10. Claudia Pina. Nice one there for Barca. That is Barca Others. That is going to Warren. Warren. There you go. One in every 26. 26 boxes or packs? Box 2. Wax, nice. Sapphire selections. One of the Salma. That is going to Josh M. Queens. Giroro for PSG. It's PSG others. That's Michael. Caicedo. Variation of Lindsey Horan. That is going to Stanley. This one's Stanley. Next up, we got a gold. 34.50 for Roma. Kumagai. That is going to Christine. 34.50. Auto. It is. How about a Caroline Weir for Real Madrid? Real Madrid others. That is Warren. Queens. Irene Paredes on our orange. Wow. How about a Bon Mati? 23 of 25. Wow. Nice one there. That's one to Josh. Wow, and another black? You gotta be kidding me. No way we can... Oh, and a rookie. There's no way we can keep this up. Absolutely no way. 4 of 10. How about a Karchawi for PSG? PSG others. There you go, Michael. Congrats, congrats. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 base, and then the Caicedo was the Sapphire selection, so 5. Another Papa! Wow! Wow, wow, wow! Here we go! Another Papa! Thinny! Paris, it is. Good luck, good luck! Variation! Dragoni! It's a nice one there. That is going to Darren. Dragoni. We got a gold. 1 of 50. Chawinga for PSG others. That's going to Michael. Make room for the Papa. Auto? Base? How about a Wendy Renard? That is going to Sam. That's one Sam. There's the Papa. Good luck. Nazareth. And a red. Oh my gosh, this case. You gotta be kidding me. And a red. What's the one on the back? That's a gold. Let's do the gold here first. A red and a Papa in the same box. Jackie Cronin, 25 of 50 for PSG others. That is Michael. 25 of 50. Wow, what a box. What a box. Run out of mags here. Alright, the red here first. Good luck. It is not a rookie. 4 of 5. Nice. How about a Claire Buell? That's her Bayern, Christine. How about that? Red on red. Congrats, Christine. Nice one there. That is a nice one. Congrats there. All right. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, good luck. It is not a rookie. 1 of 1 Papa. Wow, you gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. How about a Lauren James? Get out of here, Cliff. Wow. Wow, 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 Cliff. 1 of 1 Papa Lauren James. That is sick. Jeez, that is sick. Congrats, Cliff. That is nice. Last sticker, last mag. Get some more stickers and mags here. Smooth. Part to see here, mags. Up here, 75s. Yep, I do. That's a nice one. We still got 2 boxes to go. How crazy is that? Still got 2 boxes. I know, it doesn't hit a 10, right? Oh, man. Alright, good luck. Box 4. We got Wendy Renard on the Queens. Usually the variation first. Hamano. Chelsea. That is Chelsea Others. That's going to Sean. This one, Sean. Another one. Absolutely insane. And it's a rookie. There's no way. There's no way they can keep that up. There's absolutely no way. Auto. How about a Corbin Albert? Nice. And a Corbin Albert base to go with it. That's going to Grant. And a Lily to go with it as well. 3 cards in a row for Grant. Queens, Caicedo. That is going to Darren. The orange. 23 to 25, Riviera. That's going to Paris. 23 to 25. It's going to Michael. Golds. To 50, Peniel Harder. 46 of 50. That is Christine. Have we hit our auto yet? Oh, we did Corbin, huh? So that's not going to be an auto. And Sapphire selections. We got Macario. Chelsea Macario is Sean. All right, good luck. Rookie black. Good luck, good luck. Outfitting in this room. Oh, it's not. Number to 10, base sprung. Rosengar. 5 of 10. That is going to Josh M. Josh getting in on the black refractors. I mean, if I didn't tell everybody I was dropping it tomorrow at 9 a.m., I would. Or if I had another case on hand. I'd drop another one. I don't want to drop it now and then Ian be like, what the hell, man? You told me you're dropping it tomorrow. Ian will get mad. We don't want to get Ian mad. Bad Ian. I mean, yeah, he did. That he did. There is... How many people in the room right now? $30 people. I got 9 likes. If you guys get me to 20, I'll drop it tonight. If you guys get me to 20 likes, I will drop it right after we're done with this break. But we got a 2-caser. A 2-caser after this that we're going to do. So there is going to be a 2-caser after this. Because that is full ready to go. So get your burner accounts. We got Sapphire selections. Lindsay. Leon. That is Leon Haran going to Stanley. Yeah, we'll break it tonight. But like I said, I got a 2-caser that I'm gonna do after this. I'm a 2-caser I gotta do after this because that's full ready to go. Caicedo on the Queens. Caicedo. Variation. Another Hamano. Chelsea. Others. That's going to Sean. Skyfather account. Kevin's burner accounts. All right, we got gold to 50. Akpan for Chelsea. Rookie 3 of 50. Chelsea others. That is Sean. There he is. All right, this should be the auto. It's a gold auto. No way, another one? Sam Kerr gold auto. That is going to Mark. Mark getting in on the action. That's Mark. That's nuts. Crazy, crazy. Macario Queens. Orange. Naomi Feller, 14/25. That is going to Real Madrid others. That's Warren. And our last hit is a gold. /50, Leah Schuler for Bayern. Nice one there for Christine. 49/50. That was the break. Like I said, I don't know how they can keep that up. That is pretty amazing. I hope they can. Ponmati, Feller, Schuler, Akpon, Lindsay, Caicedo, Hamano, Macario, Caicedo, Harder, Rebediera, Albert, Lily, Albert, Puteus, Hamano, Bonmati, Renard, Dragoni, Weir, Kumagai, Salma, Caicedo, Lindsay, Lily, Salma, and Caicedo. I mean, didn't you? You guys said you saw 2 1-of-1s in a case somewhere else. I mean, it's out there. Two oranges in this one. Millie Bright /25. Golds. Salma /50. Salma. Pateas /50. Chawinga /50. Gronin. Black refractors that had moved to the back. Base sprung number /10. 5/10. We had Claudia Pina, 7/10. We had Karchawi, 4/10. The gold auto, Sam Kerr, 24/50. We had the orange, Bonmati, 23/25. We had the red, this is pretty sick, little color match, 4/5. Clara Buell, jersey match. Another 1-of-1. Lauren James, 1/1. That is gross. All right. Put it in the store now.